I saw one of these online and thought I should go ahead and get one and see if they were worth anything. So here's a quick unboxing and review for the Glow Gear LED face mask. Comes with the mini USB power cord. Rechargeable or takes AAA batteries. You can download the Shining Mask app on your phone and then upload and control everything from there. It's also got hand gesture control, but I haven't really messed with that yet. So is it at least worth picking up? Yeah, why not? It's fun. I'll put a link for the mask in the description. Like and subscribe for more uneducated reviews.